Alrighty, let's see what we carry in what I carry in my vehicle for emergencies. First of all, got spare 10-litre jerry can and oil, and in here I have a repair manual just in the waterproof, and a blanket just in the waterproof bag to keep it safe and not wet. Then we have toolkit, all the tools, well, most of the tools required for this car. And in the spare wheel well, we have the spare wheel, of course. We have an emergency tire repair kit just in case the two tires pop. WD-40, just because this is an old car, I'm trying to replace stuff. Usually something gets stuck. Extra antifreeze, radiator, spare bulbs. That's pretty much it for there. And then we have, of course, some distilled water for the radiator as well, and also for thirst. So double purpose for that. Jack, of course, and spare cans of beans. If you get hungry when you're stuck on the side of the road, give you some extra energy. And duct tape. And a crowbar, okay. So that's all the regular stuff. Now we get on to the prepping stuff. So crowbar, good for scavenging and probably as a weapon. And find another regular thing, towel, useful in multiple circumstances. Then the bug out bag. We have also, if I wasn't to have a go bag, I'd still have a tarp in here. Also got a sleeping bag, another first aid kit, I think, and then I think in that one, water filter, extra knife, snares, and under that, spare pouch, UHF radio, emergency light, I'd still have that, still have the paracord as well, wind up radio, but I guess you got the car for that one, and that's about it. I guess also fishing rod, that's sort of just ended up in here, I haven't taken it out. Oh yes, just make sure you have spare fluids, spare jerry can, very useful if you have to walk somewhere to get fuel. Don't want to buy one at a service station, they cost a lot of money, usually. That's pretty much it. And of course, actually, no, this is where the car first aid kit is, in the back there, reflection is of it. Anyway, thanks for watching.